What are the biggest technical or architectural challenges your teams face maintaining speed, accuracy, and defensibility across that hybrid surface?
Yeah, so there's probably a two or three dimensional question, right? So there's data sources and cloud connectors we're going to support or we need to support based on our client needs. There's within those data connectors, they're not static, so they change. I mean, companies bring enhanced capabilities, they deprecate other capabilities, so it's kind of like you know, once you've solved the problem, you need to keep monitoring the problem because your cheese is moving. And so you have to have your teams able to have domain expertise to be aware of that and then be able to, compensate and roll that out at scale. Cloud scale is the scale, unto itself, right? Because you can get really large cloud scale M365 tenants. So being mindful of, data and being complete and thorough, being mindful of scale, and then being mindful of, user experience as we're handling these challenging problems of unstructured data and unstructured data at scale, how to simplify that use case for the end user, right? So there's a million details that we've handled and solved, and we don't need the user to pop the hood and look at the engine and see all the wires every time, right? So I think those are, how do we deal with complexity, do the hard work to make things simple for the user, and play at scale in a cloud first game, and deal with all the squeaks and bumps that just naturally organically happened in this business.
As Chief Product Officer, how do you decide when to push innovation versus when to optimize reliability?